Okay, I'm going to run through a series of benchmarks with the ASUS Transformer Prime on its 3 performance settings. We'll start out with Quadrant. Quadrant, I've noticed, doesn't run all that well on the Tegra 3 any better than it did on the Tegra 2, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to start each time on the power saving mode and then go up from there. And just like on some other devices, it does hang at the I/O section of the Quadrant benchmark, so it will take a few seconds to get past this part. Alright, so the Quadrant score on the power saving mode was 2191. So we will go ahead and set it to normal mode. Oh, I'm sorry, balanced mode. We'll run the benchmark again. And the score on balanced mode in Quadrant is 2884. So we'll go ahead and set it on normal mode, which is on the Transformer Prime the highest performance mode. And the Quadrant score on normal mode is 3047. So now we will go back to the home screen. We'll set it back on Power Saver, and we will run Smart Bench 2011. Sometimes this does fail a few tests, so if we have to run this a few times, we will. Okay, the score on battery saver on Smart Bench is 2678 for productivity and 1635 for gaming. So we'll go back and we will set it to balance mode and we will run it again. And the score on balanced on Smart Bench is 3562 productivity and 2825 games. So we will go back and we will set it to normal, which is high performance. And we'll run it again. Okay, and the score on normal on Smart Bench is 4342 productivity and 2921 for games. Next, we're going to run N22. And we will go ahead and put it on battery saving for our first test. And we'll just run the default test. I will probably cut this out, a lot of this out of the video, because these tests do take quite a bit of time to run, so I might just skip to the end of each one and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that result is done, and the ASUS Transformer Prime on battery saver scored 5436 in N22. So I'm going to set it on balanced, and we will run that again. Okay, so now we got the score on balanced, and it's 10,104 on N22, which is a very good score. So we'll go ahead and back out, and we will set it on high performance, normal. We'll run the benchmark again. And the result for normal or high performance was 10,813 on N22. This is also a very good score. Now I'm going to put it back on battery saving mode, and I'm going to run caffeine mark. Okay, the caffeine mark results on power saver was 4832, and we'll go ahead and put it on balanced. We'll run the benchmark again, and the result for balanced is 9278, so just about double. And we'll run it again on normal, which is high performance. And the score for caffeine mark for normal or high performance mode is 10,046. So as you can see, there's a significant difference, really, between the different modes, particularly between battery power, or battery mode, and battery saving mode, sorry, and balanced. Not as much of a difference between balanced and normal. So thanks a lot. If you'd like to see a different benchmark run, let me know in the comments. Thanks.